Welcome back to FreshCo Graphics. Whether you're a returning viewer or joining us for the first time, we're thrilled to have you. Subscribe now for captivating insights into home and interior design. Parisian Daydream, an Art Deco apartment with golden clouds. Okay, imagine this. You've just scored the perfect Parisian apartment with those gorgeous tall windows and intricate moldings. Now the fun part, making it yours. Our big idea? Leaning hard into a luxe, moody Art Deco vibe. The star of the show is going to be a stunning wallpaper, a clouds pattern in swirling gold and inky black. It's going to feel both romantic and glamorous, like a scene from a 1920s film noir. We'll use it as a dramatic anchor in key rooms, then build the whole story around it. Trust me, this is going to be good. Picture the classic cream-colored Haussmannian building with its wrought iron balcony. Up there, that's us. For our little Juliet balcony, we're keeping the potted green ferns simple. The magic is waiting inside. But from the street, you might just catch a glimpse of our black lacquered front door, with a single sinuous gold door handle, a tiny hint of the deco drama within. First impression? Boom! We're papering the entire entryway ceiling with that gold and black cloud wallpaper. It sounds bold, but with lower ceilings it creates an instant immersive jewel box effect. A sleek black console table holds a single dramatic gold-leafed mirror in a sunburst shape. The floor is a classic black and white checkerboard tile. You're welcomed not into a hallway, but into a moment. Here we'll use the wallpaper on a single main focal wall behind a plush charcoal velvet sofa. We're balancing that drama with rich textural neutrals, a shaggy ivory rug, smoked glass side tables, and velvet curtains in a deep taupe. The accents are all in the metallics. Think a sharp geometric gold floor lamp and black and gold Art Deco figurines on the mantel. It's cozy, but with a serious dose of cocktail hour glamour. This is the sanctuary. We'll paper behind the bed's headboard, making it feel like resting in the heavens. The bed itself is upholstered in soft, black linen, piled with silky pillows in shades of champagne and charcoal. Lighting is soft and indirect, maybe gold sconces with frosted glass shades. The goal is moody and enveloping, the perfect place to unwind after a day in the city. Dinner parties just got more theatrical. The cloud wallpaper goes on all 4 walls here, making the room feel intimate and grand all at once. The table is a round, glossy black lacquer, surrounded by curvy chairs in gold velvet. Overhead, a dramatic linear chandelier, all polished chrome and glass, drops down like a piece of jewelry. It's intimate, conversation-focused, and undeniably chic. We'll keep the cabinetry crisp and white to modernize the space, but then add those deco touches. Think bold, black stone countertops and a geometric gold tile backsplash for a hint of sparkle. The hardware is all polished brass with simple rounded pulls. On the open shelves, display your prettiest black ceramic canisters and gold-rimmed glassware. It's functional but with a sleek, tailored edge. This is our wet room masterpiece. Imagine the cloud wallpaper, in a water-resistant version of course, on the wall facing the freestanding black bathtub. The floor is a hexagon tile in matte black, and the fixtures are all gleaming curved brass. A simple round mirror with globe sconces on either side finishes the look. It's a little decadent, turning your nightly routine into a mini escape to a bygone era of elegance.